Amitabh, first question for you really, which is, I remember many years ago when you started online, there were a lot of skeptics who said insurance is always sold, it's never bought. You need a large agency force which has to go repeatedly to people, convince them to buy insurance. And there you were trying to sell a policy online for people to come there, search, find out, and of course people like Yashish help that search. How has it taken off? Are people, especially young Indians who seem to be very digitally savvy, who spend most of their time consuming information online today, are they buying insurance online?
Oh yes, you're seeing a clear trend where the number of people who are buying insurance online is increasing rapidly every day. Yashish has obviously more data because he's very much in the center of that space, and I'm sure he will say that the numbers can grow even faster than where they are. And I agree with him. I hope it can grow faster, but there is a clear upward trend. And obviously, please understand that somewhere we tend to understate the numbers a little bit because people who bought insurance last year are no longer in the new people who are buying insurance this year. It's mainly the new policies being bought. There might be a little bit of switching happening. So these are new set of people who are coming and buying insurance. So obviously there's a clear trend of it going up. And I think, as I was mentioning and sharing with you earlier, that most of the people who are buying this insurance are below 35 years of age. So it's not only the trend of buying online, but people who are comfortable online and people we did not expect will plan their life much earlier. We thought that they are kind of here and now kind of people, the millennials. They are actually planning their life, and they are the ones who are coming to these platforms and buying no insurance, which on the face of it, at least a couple of years back, appeared to be a very complicated product. I think people like us, people like Policy Bazaar have played an important role in dumbing down the whole offering to a level where people understand it, can easily appreciate it, have made the whole journey quite seamless. It's still not as seamless as we would like. If Yashish had his way, it should be instantaneous, and I agree with him. But it has become much better, and I think it will attract more and more people because we cannot ignore the fact that millennials want it here and now. I mean, their attention span at that time, if there is a felt need, if you are not able to capture that moment, that felt need, it does tend to wither away, and you do tend to lose some customers, and it takes a long time for them to come back. So it's very important to capture that moment because we know we are underprotected as a country, as a society, and we are actually doing a service in a way if people can cover themselves, and the rates in India are extremely competitive. So it's not that it's an overpriced product. I mean, I think people need it.